Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Very good evening. Happy Bogi people. Happy Bogi. Happy Bogi. How are you all doing? How are you all doing today? Durga Prasad, Joshita, Maheshwari, Madhuri, Anuradha. I'm good beta. How are you? I'm sorry for being late. I'm very sorry for being late. Pooja, I'm good beta. How are you? Kavita, I have uploaded. I'll share the link better. The test is ready. Soon after this class, you will have the test at 5 o'clock. Okay, 5 o'clock, you will have statistics test. So please be ready for that. Yeah, Sirisha, happy Lori, happy Pongal, happy Bhogi. I'm good, beta. Health is okay now. So I can work. When I'm too bad only, I don't work. But then, if I'm little okay also, I'll work. Hi Krishna, hi everyone. Okay, let's begin the session. Okay, so happy Bogi, happy Bongal, and happy Lori to all of you. And today we are going to do applications of trigonometry, one short explanation. Okay, and today's quote: every day is a chance, every day is a change to be better. Okay, it's a chance to change and it's a chance to be better. Okay, so you just need to work and you just need to treat every day as an opportunity. No Sundays, no holidays, nothing. Every day is an opportunity for you. No weekday, no weekend. Okay, every day, if you utilize properly, then every day takes you closer towards your goal. That's the quotation of the day. Did you like it? Very excited? Amazing, amazing. Yeah, you'll have it at 5 p.m. Okay, I'll share the link. Don't worry. Are Kiran, we are doing the same. Okay, you just have to follow the channel. Chalo. So, are you all ready to start? Quiz 5 p.m. Okay, I will tell you, Avinash, don't worry. 5 p.m. you'll have a small short. I'll give you the link and I'll tell you. Chalo, let's begin. Yeah, let's get started. And yes, in trigonometry, now I need complete concentration. Are you all ready with your book? Are you all ready with your book? With your book? Hmm? Samira, we will have a doubt solving session. So today evening or tomorrow evening. So let me see the schedule. So you can ask me your questions there in the doubt solving session. Okay. So before that, if you want, you can mail me the question so that I can take it directly. Statistics is a lengthy question. No, you may not be able to type it. So you can mail me it. Okay. Math facilitator gmail.com. You mail me there. I will take your doubt. Okay. Chalo. So let's begin. So with your pen and book, I hope you are all ready. So happy to see you all. So God bless you all with wonderful, wonderful 10 on 10 points and lot of success in your life. Yes, it is all okay. Okay, because I don't think you don't even know what is trigonometry. Okay, I'm very sure you know what is sine, what is cos, what is tan, what is cosecant, what is secant, what is cot. If you know this, that is enough for us right now, and small values. Okay, so these six these six ratios which you have learned, these are called T ratios, and these T ratios are useful for you to find the heights and distances of anything. Okay, so that we are going to learn in this applications of trigonometry. Now, for examples of heights and distances, each and every question given in your textbook is an example of how we are applying trigonometry in our daily life. Okay, to find the height of a mountain or a building or a person, for everything you can use applications of trigonometry. Okay, so sine theta is nothing but P by H. Now, the shortcut of how to remember this in tomorrow's class we will learn. Okay, cos theta will be B by H. Tan theta will be P by B, but already the hint is here, but I'll tell you. Secant theta is a reciprocal of sine. It is H by P. Oh, secant, sorry. Secant is a reciprocal of cos. It is H by B. Cot is a reciprocal of tan, so B by P. Okay. H, you can also say it is the opposite side. Sorry. P is called the perpendicular side or the opposite side. Okay, perpendicular or opposite. And B, you can take it as base or you can consider it as adjacent side. If you are using the terminology perpendicular, you go with base. Perpendicular and base. If you are going with opposite and adjacent side, okay, then use these two together. Understood, people? So in some schools they say opposite and adjacent, some schools they say perpendicular and base. So depending on your convenience, what you're habituated with, so please go with that. Similar, or actually I have tricks which I will tell you in trigonometry chapter. Okay, this is just I'm giving you just small picture of the trick. Okay, what you are from intermediate? Chalo. So after this, you should know sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45, sin 45 are equal to each other, which is 1 by root 2. Okay, so basic things which you need to know today. Clear? Chalo. H means hypotenuse beta. I have drawn, see, these two sides. Now this is the hypotenuse. The side opposite to the right angle. This is right angle. So the side which is opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is constant always. Okay, it is the longest side in a right angle triangle. Okay, chalo, let's proceed now. So when you are seeing, okay, suppose if I have a building, I have a person standing on the building. This person is watching a car. He is watching a car. Okay, if you want to find the distance between the car and the building, or if you want to find the distance between the person and the car, or if you want to find the height of the building, for everything we can use applications of trigonometry. Now in the second case, I have a tree. On the tree there is an apple, okay, and a boy is looking at the apple. Okay, so here also you can find the height of the apple, you can find the distance between the boy and the tree, you can find the distance between the apple and the boy. Okay, apple and the boy. So how do we do all this? Usually not. Sine 0 usually we don't use. Okay, which we use I am showing you. Okay, so now come on, get into the session. Can you take other angle, then opposite side will be hypotenuse? Yeah, I already told you. If this is a right angle triangle, this is right angle. 90-degree angle is constant. Two angles cannot be 90-degree. Now come on, listen to me the concept. So tell me, can I have a triangle with two right angles? If I have two right angles like this will never be a triangle. Okay. So to have a triangle, I will have only one right angle. I can have only one right angle. Other two angles will be less than 90. So the side opposite to this 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. So there will be only one hypotenuse. Okay. Suppose if you have a triangle like this side is hypotenuse. Suppose if I have a triangle like this, This is the hypotenuse. Okay, clear everyone? Chalo, let's begin now. Yes, great, great. So have a look here. Now, see here. First, I will start with the second one. I'll start with the second one. Everyone just look here. Everyone just look here. Okay. So the person is looking at the apple. So now see here. I can form a triangle with this. Okay. So now, this is a triangle I have formed. Assuming the height of the person is very small. Okay. So see here beta. This is a horizontal with the person. This is a horizontal with the person, and this is how the person is looking top. Okay, this is called line of sight. This is called line of sight, and this is called the horizontal. And the angle made between the line of sight and the horizontal, this angle is called angle of elevation. Okay, now here you see, now the person is looking down. He is looking down. Okay, this is the person's eye level. Okay, this is a line of sight. Line of sight is nothing but an imaginary line between the person and the object. Here, this is the object and this is the person. Okay, and this is the angle between the horizontal and the line of sight, and this angle is called angle of depression. Okay, and this angle, if you see this is one horizontal, this is also an horizontal, both are parallel to each other. Okay, parallel to the ground. So if this angle is theta, this angle is also theta. Till here, is it clear? Lalita, I will tell you. As of now, is it clear? Yes. So see, first case is, now imagine me, I am the person. Okay, I am looking at the tube light as of now. See here, I am looking at the tube light which is above my eye level. The tube light is above the eye level. I am looking at the tube light. So if you imagine a line between my eye and the tube light, this line is called line of sight. Okay, and if you imagine a horizontal like this, parallel to the ground, this is the ground here below. So if I'm imagining a line parallel to the ground like this, a horizontal line, okay, this is called the horizontal line, and this line which I'm looking up, so this is called line of sight, imaginary line, both are imaginary only. Now this angle which is formed is called angle of elevation. Okay, we say hero ki chala elevation icharu, which means full hype. Okay, so here when you're looking up, you get hype. Okay, angle of elevation. Now suppose there is a rat down, okay, down, and I'm looking at the rat. Okay, from my eye level to the rat, okay, that is called line of sight, and my eye level is here. So from the eye level, if I draw a horizontal, okay, the imaginary line between this line of sight and the horizontal, this imaginary line is called angle of depression. Depression means I'm looking down. When you look down, you get angle of depression. When you look up, you get angle of elevation. And both the angle of elevation and depression are with respect to the horizontal, and the horizontal is at the eye level. Clear? So I hope till here it is clear. Now your doubt, why do we take the person height is very small? No need to take the person height as very small. See, in many cases we take it as negligible because this concept we will be using to find the heights and distances, to find the distance in the solar system, distance between earth and moon, distance between sun and earth. So for these also we use this applications of trigonometry. Now those are very large distances, you might have already learned. Distance between earth and sun is very large. So in such cases, when the distances are so large, okay, your height you cannot even imagine how small it is. So in those cases, we neglect the person's height. Okay, here also in some questions, we neglect the person height unless the height of person is given to you. For example, here you can see, here I have the height. This is the ground I said. Okay, this is the object. So here I have some height. So sometimes in the question they will mention the height of the person. Then you will take the height of the person. Okay, unless and until they mention the height of person, you will not take it. Because if they are not mentioning, which means they are neglecting it. Angle of elevation means you are looking up and this is your horizontal. Okay, looking up and this is your horizontal. So this angle between these two is angle of elevation. How much angle? It depends on the question. Now always I don't look at the same angle, isn't it? Now see here, one more example. One common example, see. When the building is very far away, when the building is very far away, okay, your angle of elevation will be small. When the same building, you go closer to the building, you go closer to the building and you see, now if I want to see the building, my angle of elevation will be big. I'll have to raise my head like this and see the building if I'm going closer to the building. When I'm far away, I can just see like this. So when you're far away from the object, angle of elevation will be less. When you're very close to the vertical object, angle of elevation will be more. And angle of elevation always with respect to the vertical line we take. Okay. Now see here. We consider it with respect to this horizontal line and all the vertical objects. Now here I said a building, I said a tree. So for our convenience, we just draw it as a vertical line like this. Okay, just as a vertical line. We don't draw the exact building. You just draw it as a vertical line like this. Okay, and mention this is a building. Okay, and you write the height of the building. Now tree also you don't have to draw the actual tree. You just draw it like this. Understood? You don't have to draw the persons. Is it clear? Everyone, what do you want me to draw and show? Okay. Mm. Suppose this is a ground. I am standing here. This is a vertical object. Okay. My angle of elevation, if I am looking at the top, if I am looking at the top, my angle of elevation is this, and with respect to horizontal you take, this is the angle of elevation. Now the same person went here close to the building. Now my angle will become more. Understood? You do the experiment now, people. Come on, get up from your places. Come on, get up. Okay? Get up, get up. Be at one corner of the room and see the wall. See the top of the wall. See the top of the wall. Get up. Be at the corner of the room and see the top of the wall. Okay? You see that you are comfortably able to see. Now go very close to the wall and now try to see the wall. You cannot see as you were seeing when you were at the corner. You'll have to raise your head like this and see, which means raising the head like this and seeing means my angle is increasing. The horizontal is same, isn't it? You are not growing, you are the same. But here you were able to see clearly, but then when you go very closer, you will have to raise your eyes and see. So the angle is increasing. Clear everyone? Physics padtan beta. Please concentrate on this session. Okay? Okay? Chalo, let's proceed. Any more doubts? Is it clear? Great. So let's begin with the questions. Okay. So once we start questions also, you will feel much better. And don't forget to like the session. I see only 26 likes. So do like the session. What happened, Anuradha? Anuradha, please scroll back and see once again. So simple it is. Huh? Masrat, Lavanya not clear. Joshita not clear. Acha, no doubts, sir. It's clear? Okay, okay, okay. How to understand any question properly? You'll have to read it. You'll have to imagine it. Okay, every question is different. Now, one common rule will not be applicable for all the questions. Okay, so come on, let's concentrate. Okay, that's why we are practicing. We are understanding the concept. We are doing so much work. If everything goes with a small tip, then it's we don't have to work so much, right? So no small solution for everything. Few have small tricks which I am already explaining you, but few don't have. Now in general, if you say how can I solve easily, Now everyone look here. A tower stands vertically on the ground. Suppose let me take AB is a tower which is standing vertically on the ground like this. From a point 15 meter away, okay, from a point. Now when I am explaining, please concentrate here. Okay, when I am explaining, please concentrate. See how I am reading the question, how I am drawing the figure. Okay, then only you will understand completely. Yeah, please like the video. So AB is a tower which stands vertically on the ground. It is standing vertically on the ground, so like this. So I have taken the ground, I have taken the tower. So till here clear? Now from a point 15 meter away, okay, there is a point 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. If you see very clearly, A will be the top of the tower, B will be the foot of the tower, right? So if I take a point 15 meter away, so for example, this is a point C, which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. Okay, from this point, the angle of elevation, okay, from this point, angle of elevation means from this point, if you are looking top, elevation means always looking top. So from this point, if I am looking top, I will get an angle of elevation, which is this. Okay, this is the angle of elevation which is 45 degree. Looking top, so you are joining A and C, so you get a triangle. What is the height of the tower? I need to find this is the height of the tower. Very simple. Now, once the figure is ready, see here everyone, once the figure is ready, you see one angle is given to you. Now, we already know trigonometry. So, with respect to this angle, this will be the opposite side and BC will be the adjacent side. Opposite side I can also say perpendicular, adjacent side we can say it is nothing but the base. Yes or no? So I have some relation with perpendicular and base. Can you tell me what is perpendicular and base? Which ratio? Tan, isn't it? So that's why you take tan theta here. Understood? And you know theta is given as how much? Your angle is 45. Opposite, the perpendicular side or the opposite side is AB, which is nothing but the height of the tower, and BC is the base. Tan 45 is 1, AB is the height of the tower, BC is 15 given to you in the question. Cross multiply, you will get H equal to 15 centimeters. Not centimeter, here meter is given to you. See here. What is given, just see. This is meters. So your answer also will be in meters. Any doubt in this question? Night also you will have one more class, Pravina. So 2 classes are planned because I missed yesterday. So I thought of covering the syllabus today. Morning one, evening one. Okay, beta. So please see the recorded. Huh? Yeah, you can take cot 45 too. No, not a problem. So if you take cot 45, it will be base upon the perpendicular. So one will be base is 15. This is P. So P equals to 15. Sorry, H. No, we have taken it as H. H equal to 15. So the answer will be same. But usually, see, answer will be same. But just one thing I want to clarify here. Just see here. Sine, cos, tan are direct ratios. Okay, sine, cos, tan are direct ratio. Cosecant, secant, cot are just the reciprocals of the first three. Okay, so here in my explanation, what do I do is, instead of giving you all the 6 ratios, we will be using only the 3 ratios. I will use only the 3 ratios because the next 3 are just the reciprocal. So if you use the first 3, it is enough. So to make it more clear, little less confusing, I am using only the first 3 ratios. Okay, you can use the other also if you are already practiced. No problem. See the next question. A tree breaks down due to storm. Okay, so there is a tree. What happened to the tree? See here everyone, complete concentration. A tree breaks down due to storm and the broken parts bends so that the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees. So see here everyone, suppose this is the ground, this is the tree. The tree is breaking down. So for example, at this point, okay, the tree is breaking down. When it has broken down, what happened? The broken part bends. The broken part is bending down. This is a tree. It has broken at this point. So the broken part is bending like this down. Okay, it is bending like this down. So this part, okay, at this point it is broken. It is bending like this down. Okay, it was like this. It has bent down like this. Now this is touching the top of the tree. What top? So this is the top. This is the top. When it is bending, this comes here, right? So the top of the tree is this. It is touching the ground, making an angle 30 degree with the ground. So this top is making 30 degree with whom? With the ground. This is the ground and this is the tree. So the angle between the ground and the tree, top of the tree and the ground is 30. The distance between the foot of the tree. Where is the foot of the tree? This is the foot of the tree. The distance between foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground. Okay, this is the foot of the tree and this is the top of the tree on the ground. So this distance is 6 meter. Let me take it as A, B, C, D. So D is the point which is equal to A. This A itself came here. So instead of D, let me take it as A dash. It will be easy for the representation, isn't it? This is A dash actually. A only, it bent it, so it became A dash. Okay. So distance between the top of the tree which bent and the foot of the tree is 6. Find the height of the tree before falling down. Before falling down, this is the total height of the tree. So I need to find this height of the tree. For that, what shall we do? First, I should know this height, BC. So see here. So this is the opposite side. Now let me change the color. This is the opposite side for the triangle and this is the adjacent side. So again I have to take tan opposite by adjacent or perpendicular by base, whatever it is. So that is nothing but tan. So tan of which angle? Tan of 30. Tan 30 is equals to opposite side is nothing but BC divided by adjacent side is A dash B. Tan 30 you know it is 1 by root 3. BC by A dash B is 6. So BC will be equal to 6 by root 3. Clear everyone? I got only this value. This is the height after breaking. Before breaking down I want, before falling down, which means total height AB I want. But you see this AC is nothing but it is equal to A dash C. This part only broke and came here. So this part and this part are equal. Okay. So if I want this hypotenuse part, now which ratio I have to take? I have adjacent side. I want to find hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse is nothing but cos ratio. So cos 30 it is. Cos 30. Cos 30 is A by H. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 equals to A is nothing but 6 by H is A dash C. Okay. So now cross multiply A dash C is equals to root 3 A dash C equals to 12, 6 2 is 12 or A dash C will be equal to 12 by root 3. Now I want total height of the tree. Total height of the tree I will get it by A dash. Firstly, one more point let us write here. AC is equal to 12 by root 3. Okay, we know this AC and this A dash C are equal. So AC equals to 12 by root 3. So now see the next point. Total height of the tree AB will be equal to AC plus BC. Okay, AC plus BC. AC is 12 by root 3. BC is 6 by root 3. So total it is root 3 common LCM. 12 plus 6 is 18 by root 3. Very slowly I am going. So please listen to each and every step. 18 I can write as 6 3s are divided by root 3. Root that is equal to one more step I'll write. 3 I can write it as root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. These two root 3's gets cancelled. You have 6 root 3 meters as, see here, meters is given in the question. So this is also meters. Is the total height of the tree. Is it clear? Yes, it is, Jatin. How did you know? Once again? Chalo. So now I'll see your chat and explain. How can we measure angle of elevation or depression in real life? We have apparatus for that. You don't worry. Okay, I'll repeat once again. See. So this is a total tree. Okay, tree I have taken as A, B. Now look at me. Look at me very clearly. Look at me very clearly. Avinash, we will have instrument for that. Okay. So now look at me very clearly. A, B is a tree. A is the top of the tree. B is the foot of the tree. And this is the ground. Now the tree has broken at this point. So, and it has bent like this. So this A came here and became A dash. Okay. So this is nothing but now it is like this. Okay. It's a triangle. Okay. Now I want to find the height of the tree before breaking. So this total height I want. But if you see, now this is how the tree has bent. So for the total height, I need to find this height and this height also. This height and this height. Now this height, see here, this height, this part height is nothing but using tan ratio, we got this part height. Okay, this part height is nothing but the hypotenuse of the triangle. Okay, so using cos ratio, we got hypotenuse. Now for the total height, I need to add this height and this height. So, you know this height, this is nothing but AC and A dash C is equal because this part only has bent like this. So, both these parts are equal. Okay, so since I found hypotenuse, this hypotenuse will be equal to this upper broken part. So, this broken part plus this down part will give you the total height of the tree. Angle is formed with two rays. Yes or no? Why we have to draw horizontal? Angle is formed with two rays. Okay. So when two rays are there, only then you'll get an angle. So only with one line of depression I cannot form any angle. We always take it with respect to the horizontal so that you know everything will be same there. Clear? You can firstly find the angle, then the distance between you and your Burj Khalifa, and using that you can find the height. Next question, people. Contractor wants to set up a slide for children to play in the park. Okay, the slide, you know, this is the slide, isn't it? You have ladder here and the slide will touch the ground. So this is how it is. AC is a slide, AB is a ladder to climb the slide. He wants to set up at a height of 2 meters. So height of the slide is 2 meter. Height is 2 meter. And making an angle 30 with the ground. Who is making an angle 30? Slide is making angle 30 with the ground. So this is the slide, this side, and this is the ground. So between the slide and the ground, this angle is 30 degree. What should be the length of the slide? Where is the slide? I told you AC is a slide. Okay. Here the children will be sliding down, isn't it? AC is a slide. So if I want to find the length of the slide, see here. I need to find AC. Okay. Now which ratio I have to take? See, I have my opposite side or the perpendicular side and I need to find the hypotenuse. This is nothing but hypotenuse. This is right angle. Opposite to right angle, you have hypotenuse. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse is nothing but sine ratio. And sine of which angle now? 30 degree. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Perpendicular side is 2. Hypotenuse is L. Length of the slide. So cross multiply L equal to 4. What is this? Meters. So you'll get L equal to 4 meters. Clear everyone? Okay. Very good. Very good. Chalo, next question. All those who are in the session, please like the session and share it with your friends as well. Length of a shadow of a 15-meter long high pole. Okay, see, there is a high pole. Everyone look here. There is a high pole. So this is the high pole. 1 second. This is the high pole. Okay. So what is the height of the pole? 15 meter. Okay. What is the height of the pole? 15 meter. Length of a shadow of, okay, length of a shadow of 15-meter high pole, which means height of the pole is 15 meter, is 15 root 3. What is 15 root 3? Length of a shadow of a 15-meter high pole is 15 root 3. So length, this one. Everyone see here now. We all know that shadows are formed on the ground. Yes or no? Shadows are formed on the ground. So this length of the shadow is 15 root 3. Understood everyone? Length of a shadow is 15 root 3. Whose length? 15-meter high pole. Okay, that shadow, that tower, that pole shadow is 15 root 3 long. So common mistake is you take this as 15 root 3 and this as 15. No, length of the shadow is 15 root 3 and is given high 15-meter high pole. So the pole height is 15 meters. So this is the important point you have to understand. What is the angle of elevation of sun rays at that time? So how are shadows formed? If this is the sun, everyone look here. If this is the sun, hmm, exactly. If this is the sun, so if the sun rays are falling on the tower like this, huh? Then since it is a opaque, you have learnt about transparent and opaque substance. So shadow is formed on the other side. Sun rays are coming here, shadow is formed here. So if I want to find the angle of inclination of the sun rays, so see the ray is extended like this. So this is the angle of the sun ray. This is the angle of the sun ray. Did you all understand now? So I need to find this angle. Angle of elevation of the sun ray is this. Okay. So I have with respect to this angle, this is the opposite side or the perpendicular side. This is the base. So perpendicular upon base will give me tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but perpendicular is 15 by base is 15 root 3. So 15 and 15 gets cancelled. So it is 1 by root 3. Tan theta is 1 by root 3. So tan theta is nothing but tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Isn't it? So write this also in terms of tan. Now both are tan ratio. So directly now you can equate the angle. Angle is 30 degree. Clear everyone? Yes, exactly. Exactly. So let's do one more question. You want to erect a pole of height 10 meter. Okay, the height of the pole is 10 meter. You want to erect means you want to make a pole stand like this straight on the ground. Okay, height of the pole is 10 meter and you are using 3 ropes for that. So you are tying the ropes here on the ground. You are using 3 ropes. You are tying from the top to the ground. Each rope makes angle 30 degree with the pole. Okay, now see here. Each rope makes angle 30 with the pole. So this is the rope. This is the pole. So this is the angle they are giving you, not this. If you are taking this angle, it is wrong. This is, now this down angle is the angle with the rope and the ground. They did not say rope and the ground. They said rope and the pole. Okay, so rope and the pole is the top angle. Clear everyone? So it is making 30. You should find the length of the rope. This is the rope. So when you are drawing the figure itself, you should understand what you are drawing. What is pole? What is rope? Where is the ground? Okay, here also see, where is the tower, where is the shadow. If you know these things, then it will be easy for you to understand what you have to find. So when you are reading the question itself, you have to imagine the picture and draw it. And you should know which side is what. Okay, every question will be different. Here they said pole with rope. This side is nothing but the rope. Hypotenuse side is what? This side is nothing but the rope. So length of the rope means I should find the hypotenuse. Now with respect to this angle, this is nothing but the opposite, sorry. This is nothing but the adjacent side or the base. This will be the opposite side or the perpendicular side. So, what ratio can I take now? I need to find the hypotenuse. So, I have base given, okay, and hypotenuse I have to find. Base and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse I have to find, isn't it? So, base and hypotenuse will give me cos ratio, and cos of which angle? 30. You know, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 is equals to base is 10 meter and hypotenuse is L, length of the rope. So, cross multiply root 3 L equal to 2 into 10 is 20 and L will be 20 by root 3. Now, this is one rope. Okay, what should be the length of the rope means this is one rope. Now, if you want 3 ropes, okay, length of 3 ropes if I want, one rope is 20 root 3. 3 ropes will be 3 into 20 by root 3. So here this 3 I can write it as root 3 into root 3 into 20 by root 3. 1 root 3 cancels. So it will be 20 root 3 What is it? Meters. Here it is meters, so here also it will be meters. Is it clear, people, till here? No, 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 no. Three ropes are taken as support. With the support of three ropes, you are erecting a pole. So one, two, three ropes together. Okay, they are forming. You are joining three ropes like this. Okay, lengthwise. Understood? Okay, not like this. Like this. One, two, three. Understood, ma? Okay. So with this, we shall end the session now. Okay, so I will take up the remaining questions in evening class. Okay, so because now I know you are all in your celebrations, but I thought let me complete a small concept. So now we completed a small concept. Remaining questions, long questions, we shall do it in the evening class. Okay, and people do share the session also with all your friends. And thank you so much for being here. I'll see you all in the next session. As of now, I'll be taking one live session in an academy. So if you can join there, okay, you can join me there. I will teach the how to score good marks in your board exams. So please join there as well. Right now, it is going to start at 4 p.m. Okay, the link of the session I will share now in the chats, so you can join there as well. Clear, people? So I'll take a leave for now. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you so much for joining. Please share the session with all your friends.